Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And today we've got GreeNoodle Yakisoba. Excuse me. This was on the bottom 10 list for a while, at least other GreeNoodle products. It's got this stuff called Morohaya. I don't know, it's been a long time since I've had it. I don't know if they've changed it, but in the past I have found it to be absolutely deplorably gross. But it could change. Things change. So it's been probably about, I want to say like 10 years since I've had it. I don't know if I've actually had the Yakisoba one, but that is what we're gonna have. Look, it has corn. Corn and Yakisoba. That's an interesting thing to do to somebody. And it is definitely green. I don't know why they don't call it GreeNoodle. They call it GreeNoodle. So it's 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna do 3, 1, 2, there we go. Alright, so what's on the agenda for today? Well, I'm gonna go and have lunch with my wife. It's Wednesday, so Mimi's got the day off. And we're gonna go and have lunch with Mama today. So that's cool. It is December 1st, 2021. Whatever's around the corner, it hasn't happened yet. You know what's gonna happen. I'm in a different temporal plane. You know, I don't live where you live. You are in the future, I am in the past. Isn't that special? But, what's in the news today that I saw when I blearily-eyed looked at my news feed? Yesterday when I was at the store on People magazine, it mentioned that, what's her name? Britney Spears. What's next for Britney? I don't care. I hope good things. I don't wish anything poorly to happen to old Britney Spears, but I just don't care. I don't. I really don't. What's next for... Oh... I don't know. What's next for me? Continuing not to care about Britney Spears. And... although she got a raw deal, and it's good that now she doesn't have a raw deal, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if any... And, the more of it was the fact that I was talking with old Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas, hey, and we were talking about magazines. It's like, yeah, look, I could learn all about what's next for Britney Spears, but you know what? That magazine would sit on the little folding table that's next to where I sit when I have my dinner, just like the other two magazines that are over there. Maybe I should bring a couple of those magazines over here so you can see them. Maybe I could look through the maybe I could look through the magazines while I do the show. I get these magazines and I never look through them. I went and I got a copy of Wired from like 2017. We've got all these little house-shaped things with doors on them. It's like, donate books and magazines. Take a book or a magazine. Printed materials. It's the printed material conspiracy. And I got a Wired, and I get these weird... There's this company called Putman, P-U-T-M-A-N, and you can get these free magazines. One I get is Materials Handling Magazine. I don't know how the heck I get that. But the other one is called Logistics, and it's actually interesting. It has like stuff about different ports, different shipping carriers, stuff they're doing in their logistics stuff to make their shipments come quicker, I guess. I don't know, but it's interesting. It's like the 2021 roundup of best shipping ports in the United States are. Like, wow, that's interesting. I am fascinated by a great many things. Okay, it's 7:46 a.m. I gotta get the show on the road. So we got Gree, we got Noodle, we got some powder. I think all the Gree is just in the Noodle. Well, powder looks a little Gree. Gree and what do we have here? Corn. We have corn. I remember they didn't have really corn in anything when I was in Asia. It wasn't really like, hey, let's all have corn. No. I tell you what, I miss that place so much. Asia is like, that's where I want to go today. Come on, Yakisoba. Look at that. Look at the corn. Wow. It's just weird. It's weird. It's full of Gree. It's vegan. I've got lots of vegetables. I made some vegetables with Holy Slicer today. That's my amazing onion slicer. I'd like to thank those who sent that to me, who want to remain nameless, which is cool. Whatever they want. Kitchen implement, but appreciated. All right, let's see if I still don't like this or if I like it now. It's not horrible. I remember, maybe it's the other varieties. I know they have like a miso. They've got a few varieties that and one or two of them I just found to be detestable, but maybe they found a way to get that morohaya, because the stuff that makes this stuff green is called morohaya, and it's very earthy. Okay, so what I'll say about that, it's very sweet. And that might be what they've done to cover up the earthiness of it. Does it make me think of yakisoba? Makes me think almost more of teriyaki, but it's not horrible. It's not wonderful. It doesn't make me go, oh my gosh, oh my, oh my, wow. No, none of that. Not getting that feeling out of it. Come on. The corn, that's kind of the weirdest thing. I don't know that I've ever seen corn in yakisoba before, unless it was some kind of weird, like corn yakisoba. In a hurry today, so I'm going to get the next pot on to boil. The next one will take a little while. Alright. Okay, so let's gussy it up. You are in the wrong quadrant, so let's try this. Just slimy enough to slide like a snail down into the center. Okay. We're gonna use some spring onion, because it's green. And, oh man, it's hardcore. I'm gonna tell you right now. Holy Slicer kicks out a lot of the liquid, into the air when you use it. That's Serrano pepper, and like one of the first things I got to enjoy this morning was a face full of Serrano pepper mist in my face. I do this stuff for you. What a kind, kind, wonderful man I am. You take that with a grain of salt. Add some crushed red pepper. Although it's not Gree. Let's see. Enjoy. Ooh, I like this song, so that's why we'll open the next episode. But what we're gonna have next time is this Bang Bang noodle. This is a spicy Szechuan sesame Bang Bang. Yeah, I'm on it. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.